Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that developers often face in Java programming. The problem at hand involves trying to retrieve the default list of file types from an annotation interface called ValidFileType. This annotation interface has a string array returned by the value method, which contains the default file types. Now, let's delve into the solution. The ValidFileType annotation interface provides a way to specify a default list of file types, such as value1, value2, and value3. By using reflection, we can access this default list of file types from outside the interface. The first step in the solution involves defining the ValidFileType annotation interface with the default file type specified in the value method. Moving on to the next part of the solution, we need to create a test class to retrieve the default list of file types. By using reflection, we can obtain the value method from the ValidFileType annotation class and access its default values. This allows us to retrieve the default list of file types, in this case, value1, value2, and value3. Continuing with the solution, we can now print out the default list of file types in our test class. By converting the default values to a string array and using the arrays.toString method, we can display the list of valid file types. Value1, value2, value3. This provides us with an easy way to access and utilize the default file types specified in the ValidFileType annotation interface. In summary, we've explored how to retrieve the default list of file types from the ValidFileType annotation interface using reflection in Java. By following these steps, developers can effectively access and manipulate default values specified within annotation interfaces. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And as always, happy coding!